Every student of a country are most powerful and important resources for better development. They may create a better future of a country, but sometimes they end up being exploited and denied of their rights. So, it is very important for every student, especially colleges students, to know their legal right. Although in India there is no special right and provision is solely denied it to students, but here are four very important laws in Indian Constitution that every student must know. So guys, welcome to my classes. Let's start with the first right. Right to information under Article 19(1)(a). Right to information, which is known as RTI, is an act of Indian Parliament that makes the right to information a fundamental right for the citizens of India. This right to information was passed by Parliament on 15th June 2005 and came fully into force on 12th of October 2005. Under the RTI Act, any citizen of India can request information from any public authority, and the authority will have to revert back at the earliest or within 30 days from the date of filing RTI. If the matter involving a petitioner's life and liberty, the information has to be provided within 48 hours. Now, the second right is right to equality under Article 14. Right to equality of the Constitution give equality before law within the territory of India, and this law is applicable to anybody and everybody who is inside the territory of India, including the Indian citizen and foreigners. Article 14 permits reasonable classification on the basis of intangible differentia, which distinguishes persons or things that are grouped from others that are left out of the group but forbids the class legislation. Now the third right is right to education under Article 21(a). Right to education is an act of Indian Parliament which was made on 4th August 2009. This law describes the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 and 14 in India under Article 21 Clause A of Indian Constitution. Right to education makes accessibility of education a fundamental right of every child between the age of 6 and 14 and specify minimum norms in elementary school. This law states that all private schools have to reserve 25% of seat to children to be reimbursed by the state as part of the public-private partnership plan. It is also prohibits all unrecognized school from practice and makes provisions for no donation and capitation fees and no interview of the child and or his parents for admission. The Act also provides that no child will be held back, expelled, or required to pass a board examination until the completion of elementary education. And there are also the provision for special training of school dropout to bring them up to par with student of the same age. Now the fourth is right to life under Article 21. The right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution says that nobody, including the government, has an authority to end your life. Under this law, it is mandatory for the government to take appropriate measure to safeguard life by making to protect you. Right to life also make it necessary for the government to take appropriate step to protect you if your life is at risk. And public authority should also consider your right to life when making decisions that might put you in danger or then can affect your life. If any member of your family dies in circumstances that involve the state, then you may have right to an investigation. Okay guys, that was 4 important laws in Indian Constitution that every student must know. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.